Hello friends, today we will play with numbers. Our topic is playing with numbers. In our previous classes, we have learned the divisibility rules. The rules of dividing a 4-digit number, 5-digit, 6, 7 bigger numbers with the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. There were some rules to divide a big number. The divisibility with 3 and 9 rule was add all the digits of given number. For example, suppose we are given the number 2, 1, 4, 6, 5, 8, 7. We have no need to divide this number with 3. Just we follow the rule. Divisibility rule was sum of all digits. 2 plus 1 plus 4, 6, 5, 8, 7. And their sum is 33. This is the addition of digits of this number. Now we check this number. Is it divisible by 3? Correct. 3 into 11 is 33. So this number is divisible by 3. Without dividing this total number with 3, we just applied the divisibility rule and confirmed that this number is divisible by 3. Again, the sum of digits 33. It is not a multiple of 9. 9 fours are 36, 9 threes are 27. So 33 is not in the table of 9. Therefore, it is not divisible by 9. This total number. So with this same method, we will do another type of sums. Let us see. First question, if 21y5 is divisible by 9. Here it is a 4-digit number which is not completely given. One digit is not shown here. We have to find out that digit. But what is given? That this number is divisible by 9. Then find y, where y is a digit. It is 1-digit number. Let us start the solution. 21y5. It is divisible by 9 when the rule, divisibility rule, sum of digits like this is also divisible by 9. Now we add these all digits. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. Y cannot be added, but it will be written like this. 8 plus y is also divisible by 9. Now we find the value of y. Y is any number between 0 and 9. Then suppose we put y as 0. Here we are using y 0. The sum is 8. Is 8 there in the table of 9? No. So y is equal to 0, rejected. Next we put y is equal to 1. And the sum becomes 8 plus 1 is 9. And it is in the table of 9. We write the table of 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, and so on. So here when we put y is equal to 1, the sum becomes 9. So 1 is our correct option because 9 is in the table of 9. Then we put y is equal to 2. The sum becomes 8 plus 2, 10. No, it is not in the table. We leave this. Next we try y is equal to 8. The sum becomes 8 plus 8, 16. 16 is not in the table. This value is also rejected. Next Putting y is equal to 9. 8 plus 9, 17, not there. Then putting y is equal to 10, we get 8 plus y, 8 plus 10, 18. It is there. 18 is in the table. So these two values are in the table of 9, but here y is 1, here y is 10. This value is correct, but for the present question it is not correct because y is a digit. A digit means one digit number. Therefore, y equal to 10, which is a two digit number, it is also not a suitable answer. Our correct value for y is 1. Y is equal to 1 will give 8 plus 1 is divisible by 9. 9, it becomes 9, is divisible by 9. Therefore, correct answer for y is 1. And the number will be 2, 1, y 5 will become 2, 1, 1, 5. This is the 4-digit number 2115, which is divisible by 9. In this way, we can find the hidden number which is not given in the question by using the divisibility rule. Add all the digits and check by trial method which value we can put. See here, the correct value is taking the jump of 9. The question in demand: 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 9, 19. These are the correct answers for the value of y. Let us see one more sum. If 24x is divisible by 3, find x where x is a digit. Here, divisibility with 3 is discussed. Let us see the solution. We write 24x, 240 something, is divisible by 3 when the divisibility rule, sum of digits 2 plus 4 plus x is divisible by 3. Adding, we get 2 plus 4 is 6 plus x is divisible by 3. Now the table of 3 will be written. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, and so on. 6 added to what? We have already 6 in the table, so x can be 0. We put x is equal to 0 and get 6 plus x as a value that is in the table of 3. Then we put x is equal to bigger number, suppose 3, the jump of that table which is asked in the question, 3. So it becomes 6 plus 3, again a value of table. Next we can put 3 plus 3 more, 6. This becomes 6 plus 6, 12. Again correct. Next we put x is equal to 9. It becomes 6 plus 9, 15. 9 is also correct value because 15 is there in the table. Next we put x is equal to the jump of 3, 12. Can we put this? No, because it is not a one-digit number. The condition is that this x can have only the values between 0 and 9. Therefore, up to this much, all these values are correct. We no need to proceed further and we have our answer with us. This gives x is equal to 0, 3, 6, 9. All these 4 values can be of x, x can have any of these values so that this number is divisible by 3 and the number is either 240 when we put x equal to 0, then 243, 246 or 249. These are the 4 possible values of x which will give a number that becomes a multiple of 3. Let us do one more sum. Third question says, if 31z5 is divisible by 9, find z where z is a digit. Again the same question, we have to check the divisibility with 9. We start with same procedure. 31z5 is divisible by 9 when what? The sum of digits 3 plus 1 plus z plus 5 is divisible by 9. We do the addition. It means when 3 plus 1 is 4 plus 5 9. 9 plus z is divisible by 9. Now the table of 9 gives 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36 and so on. We want these answers after substituting the value of z and adding these two. How we will get 9 when z is 0? When we put z is equal to 0, the sum becomes 9 plus 0, 9. And we have the value of z that gave us the table of 9. Again, now we take the jump of 9, the question. When we put z equal to 9, the question becomes 9 plus 9. And 9 plus 9 is 18. Again the value of table. Next we put z equal to the jump of 9, 18. But we cannot put this value because it is a 2-digit number. And our correct solution is with us. We have z is equal to 0 and z is equal to 9. These 2 digits give us the correct answer for this given number. 31z5 becomes, we put the value of 3105 when we use z as 0, or when we use 9 it becomes 3195. These are the 2 numbers that are divisible by 9. And how we find these numbers? By using the divisibility rule. The sum of digits is divisible by 9. So friends, the similar sums you can do from your course book. Play with the numbers and have fun. If you have any queries, write to us in our comment box. Subscribe our channel for more videos. Press the bell button for notifications. That is all for today. Take care and work hard. Bye bye.